This one feels like it got the meat in it. Oh, you're gonna jump. It's okay. Look at him. Look at him. They're about the same size. Here you go. Wait. Boom. Nice. Watch your left foot, okay? This time you got him. Finally. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, it's in the bag, eh? Yeah. You felt that? It's like the sound of that. It's stronger. Thanks. Oh, just dozing off too.
Oh,
What? Looks like a pretty good size. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh, hang on, let him go somewhere with it. There you go. Oh yeah, that's a nice baby. Got it?
yep.
Ooh. You know Daniel? Not bad, no man. Huh? That is the white one, yo. I'm not kidding you. Keep him over here. Right? You see where I'm at? Oh, yeah. You got him? Oh, nice. Got it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, this one's big? Oh, okay. Nice. Alright. Nice. Oh, he hurt. Shit. Yeah. Oh, shit. My bad. Got it? Huh? You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, he's fighting, huh? Okay. Yeah. Ooh, keep it up. What is it doing? Oh, shit. Oh. The one on the right, the middle. I think so. Oh yeah. Take the bobber out. Oh yeah. Got it? Any help? You get it? Oh. Okay, I'll let you get it then. All right. Time to reel it up. Okay.